I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set recurring reminders on your iPhone. So first we're going to open up our Reminders app, and I have it in a widget right here. Then you're going to click New Reminder on the bottom left. Now here we're going to click on the orange eye icon on the right to open up all of the options we have for our reminders. Now we're going to want to name it whatever we'd like here, but New Reminder is, or just New Test is fine. And to start a recurring reminder, we're going to open up the date toggle here, and I'm going to have it be on every 27th of the month. And then we're going to go down to repeat. Now it says never. We're going to click this, and now we can set it to all sorts of different options for how often we want it to remind us. In this particular instance, I'm going to have it be every month on the 27th, so I'll click monthly. You can have the repeat end if you only want it to go for, let's say, 3 months, or you can leave it to be unending. And then you can, of course, select the time toggle so it alerts you at a certain time of the day. But then when you're all set, click done. And now we have our new recurring reminder set. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.